Okay, so for my mechanically inclined friends, I'm trying to understand what this sound means. That that oscillation. Now I am doing a, there's a bottle there that they sell at the auto parts store if you have a head gasket. Now I was making this sound before, right now I'm doing the, I already did the flush, and I'm on my second cycle of water and, the metallic pieces. So it's doing its thing, it's going to cool, then I got to drain it again. I've already drained out the antifreeze. This sound though, it was going rare, so it's oscillating, it speeds up or slow. I'm not sure what that is. But I had a mechanic look at this, and from his perspective, it should be fine. Everything should be fine. But what that sound is, I'm not really sure. So I'm going to be quiet here, let it play for another minute, upload it, and give me your take. Seems like it's about around this area, or that down there, or whatever it is.